What's up guys, I'm Kia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating a look for this Bosanta Utsav. So let's start. I'm done with my skincare. At first I'm applying this primer from Blue Heaven. Now I'm applying this foundation from Maybelline. I'm using this Inside Pro Concealer palette. Using this Swiss Beauty concealer. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder to set my base. Today I'm using this powder blush. And next I'm filling my eyebrows. At first I'm brushing them, then filling with this eyebrow pencil. Now I'm brushing them again. Next, the eyeshadow part. I'm using this peach color for my base. I'm using this color a little much. I'm applying some kajal in my lower lash line. I'm applying some mascara from Mars. Now it's time for lipstick. Blending it a little. Using this Wear liquid lipstick. So now it's the time for the final look.